In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your Upstream O2 sensor in a Chevy Malibu 1.5 liter located in the exhaust manifold. To remove that engine cover, you got to take a T30 and remove this little mounting bolt. And once that's out of the way, remove the oil filler cap. I'm going to put that back on just so nothing falls in. Then grab the plastic cover and pull up. Has this insulation. Should take that one too. There we go. I'm going to put that oil cap back on because I don't like the engine being open like that. Now set this aside. So we're going to follow that harness right to here and take that white lock tab, push it out. Now you can push on that tab and pull it out. We're going to take our O2 sensor socket, which is a 22 millimeter. You could use a regular wrench if you can get it in there. I'm going to follow that harness right down. Get that right on there. Now the turbo oil cooler line is kind of in the way, but you can get right past that. Now we're going to go counterclockwise and break this O2 sensor free. And just give it a good push. Now it's kind of tight in here. You can see we loosened it up. Now I can get that out of the way, set it aside. See if I can get my socket back out. Perfect. See if you can just start it. Yeah. And hopefully, with any good luck, it's just going to start continuing on its own. Now this is the Upstream O2 sensor, like I said. Some places or catalogs might call this an air-fuel ratio sensor. Either way, it's always going to be the top one that's in a manifold. There we go. Let's pull that right out. So make sure you apply the anti-seize that comes with the O2 sensor. You want to keep those threads nice and lubricated from seizing up. Start it by hand. Just give it a wiggle so it starts itself. It kind of falls right into place. I'm going to snug that right down. Get your O2 sensor socket. As soon as it bottoms out, I'm going to reposition this. So once that socket's on there, and once you feel that crushed gasket kind of bottom out, just going to give it a good pull. Don't over tighten it, but don't leave it loose. Just like that. You feel it, it kind of comes to a dead stop. Don't go past that point, and you should be all set. Take your harness, reconnect it, line up that tab, and then you're going to hear it click. Take that white tab, that's a lock tab, push it down, tuck it back underneath here, put your harness back where it was. We can put our engine cover back on, but first, don't forget to disconnect that oil fill cap. Take it out of the way. Now the insulation is kind of messed up on ours. It came unglued. So I'm going to place that down first, so that way I can confirm it's going to go right in the spot it needs to go in. It is important, so make sure you put that back on. Now we'll take cover. You feel it go over that little rubber bushing. Take our oil cover cap, put that back on, and we'll get our mounting bolt right there. That's got the T30 head on it. Line it up. Start that by hand. Tighten that down. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.